Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to hook my eyebrows up. I'm going to fill them in with this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I've had this pencil for a long time now. I think it only costs $1. So it does a good job for $1. Now I'm going in to clean up my eyebrows with their cream contour palette. I didn't grab any concealer, so I have to use this. As you see, the color is too light, but I worked my magic and hooked it up to make it work. In a few minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of foundation, as you see right here, to darken up that color a little bit. Now I'm going in with their Poreless primer. They didn't have a matte one, so I just grabbed the Poreless one because I also like to conceal my pores because they are large around my nose area and cheeks area. Here is their foundation. This is called the Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Caramel. I think I did a good job matching my color on this one. So like I said, I don't have any concealer, so I'm going to use the color out of the contour palette. It is way too light, but as I did before, I just added some foundation to it to darken it up a bit. I'm going to be appearing a little bit crazy for a minute, but in the end, it all works out. For those who are watching for the first time, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So now I'm going in with the cream contour palette. I'm going in with that darkest color, and I am going to contour with that shade. So now I'm going over the highlighted areas with their translucent mattifying powder. On one side is the mattifying powder and the other side is just a sponge, but I am using a brush to put that on my skin. Here I'm going in with their Prime and Stay finishing powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face and also smooth out any harsh edges I've got. And I'm also using their bronzer palette to smooth out any harsh edges. I'm going to go in with the darkest color of their bronzer palette to contour my nose. I picked out one of their Flawless eyeshadow palettes. This one is called Tantalizing Taupe. There's so many variations of this palette. They have all different kind of colors. So starting out, I'm going with that second color as my transition shade. Here I am going in with the bottom darkest brown color, and I am going to put that in my crease. I smoke it out on the edge of my eyelid a bit. Now I'm going to carve out my eyelid using the lightest color in the cream contour palette. So now I'm just going to set the lightest color out of the palette onto my lid. Right here I'm taking a clean brush to smooth out any harsh lines and to blend the outer edge into my lid color. I did my liquid eyeliner off camera because it wasn't an e.l.f. product. So here I'm going in with their eye enhancing mascara. I chose to use their blush palette in the shade Light. I'm going in with the darkest color out of this palette. This is one of their baked highlighters. It's in the shade Moonlight Pearls. For my lips today, I'm going to outline them with their lip pencil in the shade Bitter. Then I'm going to go on top of that with their lipstick in the shade Posh. Lastly, I am going to set my face with their Matte Magic Mist and Set. And that is it for this look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment below. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you next time.